shark bait has such teeth, dear, and it shows them pearly white. Just a jackknife has old Maggie, babe, and it keeps it out of sight. You know that shark bites with his teeth, dear. Scarlet billows start to spread, but fancy gloves, though, where's old Maggie, babe? So there's never a trace of red on the sidewalk. Ooh, Sunday morning, lies up by day, just oozing life. And someone's sneaking round the corner. Could that someone be Mac the Knife? There's a tugboat down by the river, don't you know, where a cement bag just drooping on down. Oh, that cement is for just for the weight, dear. 5 will get you 10 old Mackies back in town. Now you hear about Louis Miller, he disappeared, babe, after drawing out all of his hard-earned cash. And now Maggie spins just like a sailor. Could it be our boy's done something rash? Oh, is it diver? Yeah. Whoa, Sugie Tory. Look out for Miss Lotta Linya. Not to mention old Lucy Brown. Oh, that line forms are the right, babe. Now that Maggie back in town. One more, one. That's it, Jenny Diver. Sugie Tory.